It's the time of the month where it's time for the Lush subscription box. I'm so excited. I love this. I'm so excited. And this is a heavy one. So let's get into it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today it's an exciting video. It's that time of the month again. Not that time of the month. The time of the month for the Lush kitchen subscription box. Whoa, that was hard to say there for a second. It's the December box, so technically the Christmas box. This is a heavy box, by the way. I'm tilting it up so you can't see my address or anything, but this is a heavy box, by the way, like heavier than the other ones have been. I'm really excited to get into this, so we're just gonna bust straight in. I haven't looked. All I've done is taken the my shipping information and taken out the little booklet that you get in it that gives you all the information on the products. Didn't look at it. I don't know what's in the box at all, so let's just have a little dig and see what happens. Just before I get into the actual box, this look is filmed. It will be coming up soon. I don't know when, but it will come up before Christmas, hopefully. It will be live at some point and it will go up on my Instagram as well. So go follow my Instagram down below to see all the pictures of the look, and go hit subscribe down below to make sure you're up to date with when it does actually go live, but it will come up soon. It's a 3 looks 1 palette, so it will have more looks in that same video. So we're going to get straight in right now. So I'm opening and it says happy holidays. Cute, love that. It has my name on the box, which is lovely. I love that. And it says here, we love playing games in the kitchen at Christmas and you can join us. We've hidden 4 clues in your box and the answers will unlock a secret product page. Oh, I'm going to have to find that. I'm going to be digging for that. And it just gives like a web address with blanks in it. So I'll have to find them. Let's go. Okay, so I see something right here. This is a bag. Ooh, and there's more stuff. Oh, hang on. Packing peanuts everywhere. Let me just put this down. What the hell is this? There's a QR code on it. It's a jigsaw puzzle. I was not expecting that. Maybe this has the answers. Look, I'm not even joking. This is a jigsaw puzzle. I don't know how many pieces. Find your inner piece. Ah, I love it. But it's a nice cool little bag. It's a jigsaw puzzle. It's a jigsaw puzzle. That is a surprise. I will have to do that at some point, and if I do, I will post a picture on my Instagram, hopefully. But I've reused this bag as well. That's so random, but I kind of love it. Okay, so now let's go digging for some products, and I see one little thing right here. It's gold. Oh, I've had this before. Excuse me, let me put this box down. I've had this before, but this is in pretty packaging. It's in Christmas packaging. This is the Bucks Fizz body conditioner. I've had this before, like a couple of years ago. This smells like the Celebrate scent, or the Golden Wonder scent, or the Golden Pudding scent, which is, or what is it called? Yes, the Golden Pudding. That's currently out now. It's a bath bomb. It kind of smells like Bucks Fizz, basically. Really orangey kind of scent. And a body conditioner, basically, you are in the shower, wash yourself, do all your normal bits, and just before you're about to get out, step slightly out of the water, or if you're like me in a bath, stick your limbs out of the water, and put some of this all over you. Give it a second and then rinse it off. Don't wash it off, just rinse it off, and you don't need to put any body lotion on. It's a body conditioner. It's so good. I love these. And it's the same colour. It still has a little bit of gold in it. Oh, and it smells just as I remember. Super citrusy, orange, kind of sweet though. Oh, this one will have ingredients on it, so let me read that out now for you. It says on the top here, soon you will find that fresh grapefruit, Brazilian orange, and lime are waking your mind up. Waking your mind up. I don't know that song? No, just me? Okay. Oh, there's a clue on the product. Oh my god. 3 wise men followed me through the night. I shine a sweet and twinkling light. Star. North Star? Star. It's a star. Anyway, they follow a star. So star is one clue. I love it, and I love the packaging as well. So this one has vine leaf infusion, almond oil, fresh pink grapefruit infusion, orange blossom water, jojoba oil, extra virgin coconut oil, murmura butter, Kalahari melon oil, Brazilian orange oil, wine lees oil, lime oil, fresh orange juice, and that is all I can see there. So lots of stuff in that one. So that, oh, I'm very excited, and I'm pretty sure I voted for, did I vote for this? I might not have voted for this, I'll check, and Towards the end, I'll put up the menu so you can see what I picked and what I didn't pick. Whatever I picked, I'll put a star beside. What I didn't pick will have no star. I'm going digging. We're digging. Coconut snow. Body lotion. A tropical snow. It's in Christmas packaging as well. I love it. It's got like little gold snowflakes on it. A tropical snowstorm of rose, coconut and lemongrass oils to cover your skin and leave it soft and smooth as a fresh flurry of snowflakes. I love. This got coconut cream, star, anise decoction, murumuru butter, fair trade shea butter, extra virgin coconut oil, glycerin, water, fresh pineapple juice, tangerine juice, rose oil, lemongrass oil, caraway oil, geranium oil, and sodium alginate. Let's see what this is like. I've never seen this before. It's white, I'm not surprised. That smells really familiar. I can definitely get an undernote of coconut, but that's not the main thing I'm smelling. What was the other ones that's in it? Rose, coconut, and lemongrass. It's really sweet. You can definitely smell rose. I can definitely get the rose in there because there is a floral note to it. It's a surprising smell. Not what I was expecting. It's beautiful though. It's not a bad smell at all. I'm going to really, really enjoy that. Coconut snow. I've never heard of that before. That's really exciting. Let me go digging again. Oh, this one was almost camouflaged in the packing peanuts. This one I've had before, and I'm pretty sure I voted for this because I do tend to vote for the bath bombs. This is Pearl de Sel. This one, yep, it's snow cake scented. I'm probably not even going to really need to go through a lot of the ingredients of this, but this is snow cake scented. This gives you beautiful gold shimmer in the bath. You've got these little chunky bits on top here, which are stunning. A very luxurious bath, a very nice bath when you really want to pamper yourself. It's really beautiful. But it's basically got like almond. It smells like marzipan. Snow cake smells like marzipan, but a little bit sweeter. Yeah. Oh, God. Classic. And we're going digging again. Oh, what's this? This is the Magic of Christmas Fun. Oh, actually, sorry. There was a clue on this one. Clue number 4. People hide me on a shelf, but today I'm hiding somewhere else. What am I? Elf? Elf on a shelf? So a star and an elf. Okay. Keep that in the head. This one, the clue for this one is, I'll sit so pretty atop your tree, casting spells to fill your Christmas with glee. A fairy? Christmas fairy? Christmas angel? Christmas fairy? Snow fairy? Ooh, snow fairy maybe, because it is Lush. Magic of Christmas Fun. I haven't had fun in years because I tend to just use it like a bubble bath. I don't really use it for any other reason. But does this Magic of Christmas, do you remember it looked like the snow, the magic wand, the bubble bar that's like on a stick and it looks like a magic wand, but it was snow fairy scented. But they did one a few years ago, but it was like this gold sort of colour here. And it was a really Christmassy smell. I love that. I wish I would bring that back. Does this smell like that? Very sorry about the noise of that. It does. It's a lot more spicy. I don't know. It smells like my boyfriend. He doesn't smell spicy though. Oh, it does. Very softly now. I will say very softly. Problem with these is I have to tape it up now because I'm not opening it because it'll dry up on me. I usually just cut a piece off and then put it into a little sieve with my bubble bar and then use that together. But with this, basically, it's like Play-Doh. So it's great for kids as well. You can literally make a nice shape out of it if you want to, make things with it. It'll kind of go hard and you can just use it like as soap. You can use it as soap, shampoo, body wash, as myself, bubble bath. Some people use it for shaving. It's a great little product. I just don't tend to gravitate towards it, and I haven't seen it in a while. I know there is one out this year for Christmas as well, but it's not this one. I'm really excited. I'm loving the packaging with the like Christmassy sort of theme. Love it. Digging back in again. We have our perfume for this month. So back in, was it August? No. October. It was October. We got a box. It's up on my shelf over there, or on my set of drawers over there with my perfumes. A little box that had 5 spaces, and we got one perfume, which was Tramp. And then the second one we got, which was November, because basically they said they were going to have 5 like over the course of 5 months to collect. The second one was yuzu and cocoa. Doesn't say on the box what this one is, so let's see what this one's gonna be. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is Sultana. Sultana. So Sultana of soap and blackberry bath bomb. Sultana soap is one of the first soaps I ever bought in Lush, and it's still the soap I would buy even though I don't buy a lot of soap anymore. It is my favourite soap ever. It's very creamy, very musky. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Oh, I'm going to put this on me right now. I can smell already, I haven't even sprayed it. Oh, it is one of the best smells Lush do. Oh my god, let me just... Are you supposed to do this? I don't think you're. It's a bit alcohol-y for a second. Wait a minute. Let it die down. Let the alcohol evaporate. It's going to be really weird, but this reminds me of the TV show Arrow. Because when I was in the bath, I used to watch Arrow, and I used to use this all the time. Oh my god, this could not be a more perfect perfume for me. I'm so happy. The yuzu and cocoa in this one. Tramp is probably my least favourite so far because it's not my vibe. It's super spicy, very earthy, which is not my vibe for a perfume. I love it like for other things when I'm in the bath, but not for perfume. Yuzu and cocoa was really kind of fresh and summery and light and everything. This is really musky. Oh my god, this is perfect. I'm so happy with this. So this one has got bergamot oil, it's got olibanum oil, that's the main thing that you really smell in it, and just like, you know, perfume and all the other ingredients that go into making a perfume. I'm so happy with this. It's my favourite thing in the whole box, I think. So that's 5 items. Let's see if there is any more. I don't think there is though. Oh my god, there is. Oh my god, there is. Oh, I would have not even noticed. Ah, mine exploded. No. Excuse me, I need to clean. Okay, that was a bit dramatic. It didn't actually explode. I was being very dramatic there. The lid kind of opened a little bit on it, but it is a shower gel. I didn't vote for this because I've only just recently finished this, and now I have another little one. Again, it's in pretty Christmas packaging. This is Berry Berry Christmas. I do love this. I love it, but I didn't vote for it because I've just finished one, so I was kind of like, I want new stuff. So I know I didn't vote for this, but it's super fruity, really like a cocktail sort of scent. It's a green sort of color, so it's like a beautiful emerald green with a shimmer, like a silver shimmer the whole way through it. So it says right here, when a snow is deep and crisp and even, walk in a winter wonderland with this fruity beauty. This has got cranberry infusion, definitely can smell that, glycerin water, sweet wild orange, fresh blueberry juice, can definitely smell that, bergamot oil, olive leaf absolute, lactic acid, cornstarch, all that good stuff. What do we have here actually? Because these have little stickers. And is there a clue on this one? Yes, there is. I'm unique, white and icy bright. I fall from the sky as Santa takes flight. Snow. I'm going to have to find that page and see what it says. I'll let you guys know in a sec. But let me read what it says under all these stickers. You get a little sticker for who made it and when it was made. This product was made by Scott, which... Thank you, Scott. I do like to say that in every video. Not that they ever watch these, but who knows. And you get a little funny thing underneath that says, pop your berry. Ooh, very naughty. This one, do you have one? Oh, it does. It's very close to my heart. It says, it's a kind of magic. If you didn't know, Queen is one of my favourite bands of all time. Freddie Mercury is an absolute god. And It's a Kind of Magic is one of my favourite songs. Particularly, for me, it's a Christmas song. Might not actually be to people, but to me it is. So then for the coconut snow, what have we got here? This says for coconut snow, it says answer for elf. Oh, you spoiled it, but I already guessed it. And then this one for the Bucks Fizz, also made by Scott. Thank you, Scott. Oh yeah, that took me a second there. It says deux points, which basically if you're not from the EU, you probably won't get it. It's the Eurovision Song Contest. And they give it points, but they say it in that kind of thing, and they say deux points. Very good. I'm going to have to go and find what that page is now, because I kind of know all the answers. So let me see. Oh, I've just Googled it there. I put in the whole thing. It has brought me to a page for something. It's from £11. It's a Snow Fairy shower gel in blue or white, different colours, from £11. Is it the same? I'm assuming it's the same. Just as sweet scented as ever. Yeah, it is. It's the same Snow Fairy. It's just in different colours. Fun. I'm not going to order it because I don't need to. I have Snow Fairy coming out of my hoo-ha. But yeah, there's an option for you if you want to do. That was fun. I thought it was going to be like a video of like a Snow Fairy thing. I don't know. Anyway, is this my favourite box ever? Am I going to say this every month? Because they're going to just keep outdoing themselves. I don't know. Is it my favourite box ever? I don't know. Let me just quickly go through the ingredients list for the Pearl de Sel. So this one has got coarse sea salt, which I think is what's that chunkier bit on the top. African salt pearls. Nope, that's the that's the chunky bit on the top. Cassie Absolute, Rose Absolute, benzoin resinoid, water cream of tartar. There should be almond oil in it. Can't see it there though. Nope, but literally smells like almonds. Yep. Stunning. Okay guys, so that is our box. I'm so happy with this box. I can't tell if this is my favourite box or not. I'm loving it. I know for a fact I definitely didn't vote for this. I know that I didn't, but I'm okay with it being a small bottle. I'm glad it's not a huge bottle. I love the product though, don't get me wrong. I just didn't need it right now. I can't remember if I voted for this. I think I did. I'm pretty sure this was one where I voted for everything except that one thing. I definitely voted for this. I know that that was on it, and I know that that was my thing that I definitely wanted because it's a bath bomb. So the coconut snow and obviously the perfume is a surprise. The Magic of Christmas Fun, I didn't vote for. They are exclusives and they are surprises. The perfume is a surprise. It's a collectible as well. Oh, actually, I have the actual thing on my phone of what I voted for. Excuse me. So I did vote for the Pearl de Sel bath bomb. I didn't vote for Berry Berry Christmas. I voted for Bucks Fizz body conditioner. The Bar Humbug bubble bar, I think it's what it's called. They're all going to be there anyway. It's like that purple bubble bar. I did vote for that because I've never used it and I wanted to try it. Once a year massage bar, I did vote for because I was like, ooh, fun, interesting massage bar. Never tried that one before. Have tried massage bars, but never tried that one. And the one that looks like a snowman, and I can't think of what it's called. Chili something. I don't know. It's right there. I did vote for that as well because that was another bath bomb. So I'm kind of sad I didn't get that bath bomb. I would have swapped him for a bath bomb. I would have. But I'm happy with this. This is such a fun box. That perfume, oh my goodness. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I have Sultana bath shower gel, body lotion, and now perfume. I have the soap as well. I'm gonna have a Sultana bath maybe during the week. Maybe. I think so. So that is our video. If you guys like this video, then give me a big thumbs up down below. It's the quickest, simplest and easiest way to give me a little bit of support, get me around to more people, and also let me know you like the videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below to see many more videos coming up. We are doing Lush videos once a month at least, which is going to be the subscription box unless I pick some random theme to do for a Lush video. But I also do many tutorials, first impressions, 3 looks on palettes, of palettes. I should have palettes. Makeup videos. I'm going to be starting a declutter next year at some point. Maybe one a month as well, to kind of, I just want to rifle through. I haven't done it in a few years, like about 6 years I think I haven't done a declutter. I know the things I don't need, I don't use, so I'm going to go through them. So they're always fun. I love watching declutters. I'm not going to get rid of a lot of things. It's not going to be a hardcore declutter, but I am going to get rid of some things. But yeah, hit subscribe down below to see that coming up next year and many fun things coming up in the year to come. As I said in the beginning, my Instagram is linked down below, so you can go follow that, where I am unboxing my advent calendars on my stories, as well as obviously posting makeup looks. And I have the Lush, if you're mad about Lush, I have the Lush advent calendar and I'm doing it every day, or backtracking days, but I am opening every single door on my Instagram story, so go follow that down below so you don't miss out on that. Plus a glossy box advent calendar and a Kiehl's, just if you're interested as well, but the Lush one I'm definitely doing. And finally, let me know in the comments, what do you think of this box? What is your favourite product ever? What did you vote for? Give me the list of things that you voted for and what you didn't vote for, and maybe reasons why you didn't vote for, I don't know. But are you happy with it? I'm so happy with this box. I'm very excited about that coconut snow body lotion. I'm so excited about that. These things are the things that I'm most excited about, these two. I'm so excited about these. So you let me know what you're most excited about down below. And I will see you in the next video, guys.